Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make Churmundo, which is a Konkani style laddu made out of wheat flour and all-purpose flour. Though of course, like most recipes, there are several ways this laddu can be made, and so there are some versions of this laddu that only use wheat flour, and there are some rarer versions that only use maida or all-purpose flour. But this particular Churmundo recipe that I learned from my mom incorporates both the flours Atta and Maida for that perfect melt in mouth delicious goodness. So let's get started, shall we? For making Churmundo, you need 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of maida, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of golden raisins or nuts of your choice, 2 teaspoons of elaichi or cardamom powder, and 10 tablespoons of ghee. For this recipe, it's best to sieve the powdered sugar first and keep it ready, as you'll need it as soon as the flour is roasted. That being said, use a bigger sieve and not this tea strainer I'm using, which is making this sieving into a project. I just couldn't find the bigger sieve while recording, so I went with this one. Also, I have used 2 cups of powdered sugar for 2 cups of flour. You can cut this down a bit if you want. Then in a wide pan, lightly heat up the ghee. Add in both these flours, Atta and Maida. Mix them well and start roasting on a low flame, stirring intermittently till they are roasted well. There is no need to sieve these flours or roast these flours separately even. I have tried and it doesn't make any difference, so save yourself the time and effort. Just ensure to roast it on a low flame so that it doesn't burn, and stir every now and then so that it roasts evenly. The flour is well roasted when it starts giving off a light fragrance of roasted flour and the color deepens. Once done, transfer the roasted flour into a wide bottomed dish so that you can mix well. I already sieved the sugar in the parat, so I just added the flour in the same dish. And unlike with besan laddus, you can add hot flour to sugar in this case. Then add the elaichi powder, raisins and nuts of your choice and mix well. And I haven't added them right now, but cashews are a popular addition too. Also, use a spoon to mix this because it will be hot to touch at this point. Then wait till the flour mix has cooled down a bit and can be handled by hand before you start binding the laddus. But don't wait too long. I'd say start binding as soon as you're comfortable to handle the temperature, because this laddu has a little lesser ghee than something like besan laddu and so is slightly more trickier to bind. So the heat will help. Also, mix everything once by hand so that it is all one homogeneous mixture before forming the laddus. Then to make a laddu, take a small portion of the flour mix in the palm of your hands and press the mixture tightly together while slowly trying to shape it into a small ball. And there you have it, delicious melt-in-mouth churmundos, ready to serve and enjoy. For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!